Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Komal and today I'm going to share one easy trick to make a braided headband. So let's get started. So first of all, take a little bit of hair from top of your crown and secure it with elastic rubber. Now divide it into two parts and take one part and divide it into three parts. Now start making simple braid. For that, cross the right section with the middle one and now cross the left section with the middle one. And do this process till you reach the end. Make another braid with the other part. Now take a small portion of hair and pass it through the hole in the braid. And take another section and pass it through the second hole. You have to take a very tiny section from the front and do this process till you reach the ear. Now pull out section from the front to look it messier. Now secure both the braids at the back with the bobby pins. So that's it. So it's very easy to create. So try out and let me know how it's turned out in the comment section below. And if you like this video, then please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I will see you soon in my next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care.